The W&H Moulder, manufactured in the USA by the Williams and Hussey Machine Company in Wilton, New Hampshire, an ideal New England setting. Wilton is a rural southern New Hampshire mill town close to the beautiful Mount Monadnock region. We are approximately 1.5 hours northwest of Boston and 40 minutes west of Manchester, New Hampshire's largest city. Our factory is located downtown along the bank of the Souhegan River. You may come to the plant for a demonstration of the moulder and pick up your machine at the same time. Hello, we'd like to thank you for your interest in the W&H Moulder. We are proud of the machine we have manufactured for over 40 years in our New Hampshire factory. Today our customer base consists of thousands of woodworking professionals. They include cabinet makers, custom interior contractors, distinctive home builders, and restoration specialists. The W&H Moulder can help you with so many of your woodshop profile needs. Its main use today is the making of short-run custom window and door casings, chair rails, base caps, and crowns. Its open-side design allows you to work with elliptical casings, round-top casings, and raised panels without the interference you'll find in a four-posted machine. The machine is made out of durable cast iron. It's a simple, sturdy design. Because of its cast iron construction, there is a lower noise and vibration level than in a sheet metal machine. The W&H Moulder planer has the capacity to cut profiles up to 3/4 of an inch deep and 6 3/4 of an inch wide. It also has the capacity to plane boards up to 7 inches wide and 8 inches in height. The stock feeds at a rate of 15 feet per minute. It is powered by an industrial-grade 2-horsepower Baldor motor. It can be wired to run on 110 or 220-volt current. We also feature for your convenience our welded steel stand on wheels for maximum portability. The unit only takes 5 square feet of your woodshop floor. Let's look at its most attractive features. Remove one pin to gain access to the knife area. The machine uses a 2-knife system. Knife installation is simple and easy. Notice the positive stop knife locations in both the vertical and horizontal positions. I place the knife against a lip on the arbor to fix the height of the knives and install the bolts. Push the knife toward the post side and tighten. The bolts automatically align both knife profiles. Compare this simple changeover with other machines on the market, where you have to remove arbors or gauge knives or loosen a series of nuts and washers to gain access to the knife area. See how easy it is to install the guide systems. First, we'll look at a straight molding setup. It consists of 2 wooden guides and 4 C-clamps. To start, place the stock on the machine bed, visually align the stock, lower the head to hold it in position relative to the knife, and push each guide up to the stock and set the clamps. The round-top guides are set in the same way. The guides consist of a set of wooden guides made in the form of the radius you are working with, and the same 4 C-clamps. Set the stock on the machine bed. Lower the head to hold the stock in position. And push each guide up to the stock and set the clamps. To install our optional W&H manufactured elliptical jig, wipe the machine bed and the bottom of the jig. Lay the jig on the machine bed and align the sample piece of stock that has been clamped in the jig with the knife profile, and then set the two clamps. Simple setups save you time. Another time saver is that there are no adjustments to make, such as roller tension or head parallelism. They are preset at the factory. You need only to check one oil cup before starting. The maintenance is quite easy also. Keep your knives sharp, keep your rollers and the bed of the machine clean, and check your oil before you start. The W&H doesn't make big demands on your valuable time. The package includes the W&H molder, 2 stock guides with clamps, the dust hood, a pint of gearbox oil, our in-depth operator's manual, a molding catalog, the welded steel stand with rollers, and the 2 horsepower motor. The package is shipped in 3 separate boxes. We offer quick delivery on our factory-made custom knives and also keep an inventory of approximately 100 standard knife profiles. We take pride in the craftsmanship that goes into the making of our W&H knives. Our customers have revealed to us the machine's range of versatility. From the trimming of a multi-million-dollar home to the making of game calls, to picture frames, to custom redwood planters, the variety of tasks it is capable of seems inexhaustible. Let's look at what some of our customers have to say about the W&H molder.
I am closing a note to say how satisfied I am with my machine. Actually, it is exceeding my expectations. Not only will I recommend your product, but also your people. It is refreshing to find a company that cares about its product and customer satisfaction. I purchased my W&H 7 years ago. The quality of the machine and molding knives are unsurpassed. I see no reason why any shop, large or small, should not own one. Its ability of quick change setup is remarkable. I cannot say enough about the W&H. Dollar for dollar, I get the best return on my investment in these machines. The setup is short. I run large amounts of radius moldings, and it does a clean job with little effort. The people at Williams and Hussey are friendly and helpful with fast service. The W&H molder has enhanced our business by allowing us to fill any customer's molding needs in any species of wood with a quick turnaround. I purchased my machine in 1980. I'm very impressed with its durability. In 1989, I began selling radius moldings to the lumber and millwork industry, mostly for custom homes. I make about 150 sets per month. The machine has paid for itself 100 times over.
We feel so confident in our machine that it is covered by a limited 5-year warranty and comes with a 30-day trial offer. We thank you for considering the purchase of the W&H molder. We look forward to doing business with you. If you have any questions, call our toll-free number, 1-800-258 888-878-1380 or visit us at our website www.williamsandhussey.com.